Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and here what you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So as you can see, I just hold it, taking the burst shot, and now we can review all these shots here in gallery. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.